Hi everyone, this is Sylvia Gorenszach. I'm a GelMoment independent distributor. How is everybody doing? So I found this design on Pinterest and it really inspired me to just continue on with these wavy lines that I've been on to lately, but using a little bit of chrome. So I'm having a lot of fun with it. So let's get right to it. My base color, I actually have one coat of Truth or Dare and one coat of Champagne Toast on there just to kind of give it a little bit of a soft look to it. Yeah, and I'm using what am I using? Bridesmaids, Spring Fling, Frolic in Fiji, Don't Tell a Soul, and Daydreamer. And then there's Raven's Kiss here. And I'm also going to be using the silver chrome. All right, so the two brushes that I'm going to be using are these two right here. And this is the one that I'm going to be using for drawing the shapes. So let's start with that. Now with this, you can basically draw whatever kind of shapes you like. I'm just using the picture from Pinterest as inspiration, but the great thing about this design is that you just draw the little loop-de-loops however you like, because it's abstract, so you can make it your own. Now I am going to clean with a cleanser pad in between each color application too, okay? Next color is Bridesmaid, and I haven't cured in between. I'm just drawing right beside it. What we'll do now is give that a full cure in the lamp. All right, now that that is fully dry under our lamp, we're going to put matter effect on here. And the reason why we do that is because the chromes will not stick on a matte nail. And that's how I was able to achieve the look here. So just polish the entire nail with matter effect and cure under the lamp for the full 45 seconds or 60 seconds, depending on which lamp you have. Now that we have a fully matte nail, we're going to take our Raven's Kiss and outline the shapes on here. And then what's going to happen, we'll cure that and put the chrome on top, and then you'll get this shiny look. Let's give that a full cure. The next step is to take our chrome. You can choose whatever color you want. I have the silver one here, and you just need a tiny little bit because we have small little lines here, and you're going to rub it on the entire nail. And the great thing about it is that it's only going to stick to the newly Raven's Kiss that we cured and not to the matte nail itself. So once you have that all rubbed in, I'm going to get to the tip too because I carried those black lines over. Rub it all in. Now you can take one of your brushes or just gently just wipe it with your finger and just get the excess off. You can also take your finger and blow at it just to get the excess off so that you can put a coat of Clearly Frisky on here and seal that chrome in. Okay, I have my bottle of Clearly Frisky and we're just going to put a thin coat on and then cure the nail entirely. We'll put that under the lamp, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for what's coming up next. I have lots of fun things planned for this channel. Thank you so much for your support, and have a great day. Ciao, ciao for now.